Did the US use the B-2 Spirit bomber against Iran? Yes, according to multiple sources, the United States used B-2 Spirit stealth bombers in a military operation against Iran on June 22nd, codenamed Operation Midnight Hammer. The operation targeted 3 Iranian nuclear sites of Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. Well, as per reports, the strikes occurred at around 2:10 a.m. local time on June 22nd. Significantly, as many as 6 to 7 B-2 Spirit stealth bombers were deployed from the Whiteman Air Force Base, Missouri, flying an 18-hour mission eastward across Atlantic and Mediterranean with multiple in-flight refueling. Another group of B-2s was sent westward, Guam, as a deception tactic to mislead observers. Well, the B-2's main strength lies in its radar-evading stealth design. The aircrafts crossed continents undetected, enabling them to reach high-value Iranian nuclear sites like Fordow, a feat impossible for most conventional jets. The B-2 is capable of carrying up to 40,000 pounds of weaponry, including bunker buster bombs and nuclear payloads. Now, what were the weapons used during the US ops? As many as 14 30,000-pound bunker buster bombs were dropped on the Fordow and Natanz nuclear sites, making the first operational use of MOP designed to destroy deeply buried targets. Each B-2 can carry 2 MOPs. Not only this, over 30 Tomahawk missiles were launched from a US submarine targeting the Isfahan facility, complementing the B-2 strikes. Overall, the mission involved 125 US aircrafts, including B-2s, F-22 and F-35 fighter escorts, refueling tankers and surveillance drones. Iranian air defenses, weakened by prior Israeli strikes under Operation Rising Line, did not fire on the US aircraft. Now let's take a quick look at some other features of the B-2 bomber. Well, despite being a warplane, the B-2 stealth bomber is equipped with a bed, a toilet, a microwave and a mini fridge. Originally built to deliver nuclear bombs to the Soviet Union, the B-2 Spirit has a wingspan of 172 feet. Dubbed a flying hotel, the B-2 bomber redefined what long-haul warfare looks like, blending stealth, range and great living conditions for the crew on board. The B-2 is 69 feet long, 17 feet high, and its wingspan stretches half the length of a football field. Each aircraft costs over $2 billion, making it one of the most expensive military machines ever created. The B-2 also has an Indian connection, with Mumbai-born Nausir Gawadia involved in the development of the plane's propulsion system. Gawadia was later sentenced to over 30 years in prison for sharing classified military information with China. Bureau Report, Northeast Live.